Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skater XL on keyboard. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. Your movement is primarily handled by the W, A, S, and D keys, allowing you to steer and turn your skater. The spacebar is crucial. You'll use it to initiate ollies, other tricks, and even to bail when things go wrong. Getting comfortable with these basic inputs is your first step to shredding the virtual streets. Now, let's get into performing some tricks. To execute an ollie, press and hold the spacebar to wind up, then release it to jump. For flip tricks, release the spacebar and immediately tap either the A or D key to perform a kickflip or heel flip. Experiment with combining these inputs to discover a wide array of aerial maneuvers. Practice makes perfect for these essential moves. Moving on to grinds and slides, these require a bit of precision. Approach a rail or ledge with sufficient speed and at the correct angle. As you get close, use the spacebar to ollie onto the obstacle, then quickly use your directional keys like O or D to lock into a grind or slide. Remember to adjust your balance using the A and D keys to maintain your position. To truly master Skater XL on keyboard, you'll want to explore advanced techniques. Don't be afraid to experiment with various key combinations to discover unique and complex tricks. The game's replay editor is an invaluable tool. Use it to review your lines, identify areas for improvement, and refine your timing. Remember, consistent practice is the most important factor for becoming a skilled keyboard skater.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.